Hello fellow Texans, my name is Gary Trichter. I'm a DWI Specialist, and I get asked all the time, how long can the prosecution use a prior DWI conviction? Well, the answer is, under Texas law, if you have a prior DWI conviction, it can be used pretty much forever. If you have a prior deferred adjudication probation on a DUI, DWI from other states, that may not be usable. If it is a final conviction from another state, it is usable in Texas, same as it would be if you got that prior conviction here in Texas. In Texas, it used to be that convictions were good or allowed to be used within 10 years, but our law has changed years ago, and now the reach back on a prior conviction is basically forever. So if you have a DWI and you have a prior conviction, then you're looking at a DWI second. If you have two prior convictions, then you're looking at a DWI third. Big difference in punishment. Let me also talk about the driver's license consequences of having a prior DWI or a prior DWI arrest. For occupational license purposes, if you have a DWI and you're convicted of it, you are eligible to ask the judge if your license is going to be suspended. You're eligible to ask the judge for an occupational license that will allow you to go to work, go to religious services, to go to places that you would need to, like to drop your children off at school or go get groceries. Those types of, I need to do those type things. A judge can give you an occupational license. It's another word for that would be restricted, a restricted license. So the hours would likely be cut down and the geography would likely be cut down. If, however, you have a prior DWI conviction and it's within 5 years of your present arrest, then you cannot get an occupational license. It is just another way of punishing you for having a DWI arrest. So whenever you're charged with a DWI, you may want to think down the road a little bit and make the decision to fight the one that you're involved in no matter what. Because in the future, an easy DWI conviction because you gave up might turn out to be the worst decision you've made because it can mess up your future forever and ever and ever. How do you prevent that? You prevent that but from getting the very best, the best experienced, and the most knowledgeable DWI lawyer that you can to help you. That's my advice.